Hi all. So today in this video we'll be seeing how we can view page source using Playwright. So it will be a very quick video. So let's see that. And first let me open the Google Chrome. And what do you mean by page source is like if you right click on it and you can see like Control U the shortcut key, or you can click on the view page source. So this you can get it right. So basically this is the page source. Sometimes we need it for some requirement, right? So where you need to get this let's say this space source and need to find some values from this. Okay, so let's see how we can get it using Playwright. So here I'm creating one file, and let me create it, and I think I can use PyTest. So test page source, pretty cool. And let me copy something from this page. I think there is Amazon.in. That's fine. Can replace it, and let me delete this part and this time as well. Mm, okay, now let me replace this google.com with this amazon.in. Okay, now I can now the amazon google.com is launched. Right now I need to get the page source. So very easy. That is like you need to use uh, page dot I think there is an option called content. Yes, so you can print it in the console, or you can um, extract it and put it in a file. Okay, so let's see that. PyTest minus s, and should be headed for non-browser non-headless mode, and my file is in basics test underscore page source. Oops, I did a mistake. Yeah, page source, and let me also rename this. So test page source. Okay. So browser is launched and it should now close. Yes, and you can see the complete page source is displayed in the console. Right, so this is how you can get the page source. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.